About to do it. Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you see, we got the Touareg in the shop. We're kind of in the middle of a alternator job. So yeah, we're just checking in here. We're gonna do the full video. We'll release that later once we have it all finished up. But just wanted to show you guys, the alternator is out. And we are about an hour and 45 minutes into this job. And by we, I mean someone else. But so yeah, intake manifold off, fuel rails pushed out of the way. This disaster of an oily mess. We're gonna clean that out there. There's that sweet little coupler. Intake manifolds are here. They are actually fairly clean. We don't have to do a whole lot of cleaning of carbon there. And we'll get over to the alternator. And here is the alternator. Obviously, that one's the old one. This one's the new one. $180, Rock Auto. Yeah, we'll see how that actually works out. Probably not great, but at least we don't have to pull the motor to do it again when this one fails. So there's where we sit on the Touareg. Alternator is out. We'll get her back in, put the full video up. It won't be like super detailed, but you'll be able to see what it takes to do an alternator in a V10 Touareg. But as always, we'll keep playing with the Touareg. Like, subscribe, comment, call me a dumbass. Don't really care.
Tom, can you hide in the corner?
But yeah. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, do the typical YouTube thing. But now, we'll catch you. We'll catch you. So as always, guys, appreciate you watching. We'll catch you on the next video. Subscribe for more Touareg content. Look at it's more Touaregs. So there's. So there's where we sit. So as always, guys. So as always, guys. So as always, guys, appreciate you watching. Honk. So as always, guys, appreciate you watching. So as always, guys, appreciate you. Oh, fuck, man. So as always, guys.